Okay, so this book is called How to Draw Cool Stuff, and it is a great book that I love to use for helping students work on skills like visual motor skills, pencil control, eye-hand coordination, direction following. The book has a lot of different activities to draw, different types of pictures. There's things that you can use to work on pencil control and pencil pressure, including shading and moving the pencil along pencil lines. The directed drawings are very detailed. There's some drawings that are very simple and others that are more complex. This is a great tool for some of our older students, middle school age students, and older elementary who are working on these skills and are just really not motivated to address pencil, grasp, handwriting tasks. We love using this in our OT sessions with students of all ages. So this is a great book. There's a lot of activities in it, a lot of drawing tasks. It's a very thick book. There's a lot to it.